Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with chapter 9, Force and Laws of Motion, and it is the second chapter of your physics. In this chapter, we'll discuss what is force, what are the characteristics of forces, what are the different type of forces are there, and laws of motion. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss what is force and different type of forces. So first of all, we will see what is force. A push or pull on a body is called force. Mean when we are going to pushing a body or pulling a body, it means we are going to apply the force on that body, like opening or closing a door. It means we are going to apply the force on the door. Now we having characteristics of forces. Force has both magnitude and direction, making it a vector quantity. I discussed with you already what is vector quantity, the quantity that having both magnitude as well as direction, and it is measured with SI unit Newton and symbolizing with the F. Capital F is the symbol for this. Like velocity, we are going to measure with V. Acceleration, we are going to measure with A, small a. Similarly, force, we are symbolizing with capital F. Now, after this, we having what are the effects when we're going to apply the force on the body. It can change the speed of a body. It can change the direction of force. It can change the shape of the body. Means when we're going to apply the force on the body, it can change the speed of that body. For example, when in the game of football, when we are kicking the ball, when we're going to kick the ball, so we can change the speed also. We can change the direction as well as. Similarly, for example, if one body is there, we are going to apply the force on it. Like a plastic ball is there, so we can, by applying the force, we can change the shape of that body. Now we having different type of forces: balanced force and unbalanced force. Now what is balanced force? If the net force acting on the body is zero, mean like in tug of war game, both the team are going to apply the equal force. One team is 10 Newton, another also 10 Newton. It means net force acting on the body is zero, and that particular force we call balance force. After that, we having unbalanced forces there. So we'll see what is unbalanced force. If net force acting on the body is not zero, mean one team is going to apply 10 Newton force, another is more than 10 or less than 10. We can see that the rope is under the unbalanced force. So this is all about today. In next lecture, we discuss Newton's law of motion. Related to this, I'm attaching one video also. You go through these videos, and if any doubt, you can discuss with me. I hope you will understand it. Thank you. Thank you very much.